Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel, and let's see in this video how to pass the username and password in the feature file itself. So when you are implementing Cucumber, so last video we have seen how can we just run sample script, and now we can pass a parameter in the feature file itself. For example, given the open browser, navigate to site and click on sign in button, then enter the credentials. So instead of enter the credentials, here we have enter email and the password. Password is QWERTY123. So we are passing directly to this. So in the test case, what and all we have to change it. I have changed. So you have to pass string email, string password. So the email here and the argument, second argument we have taken as password. So we didn't hard code anything here. The important thing, you have to write a line like this. So enter, so see here, enter email and password, right? So you have to add this value, so that it will fetch from the feature file dot, the same format you have to use it. This is for just escaping character one and password for this. Okay, if you are not fetching if you are not using this format, you won't able to fetch email and password here. Okay, so change your line like this, and other things are same. Okay, so I have written a small script for some other like site PHP travels. Okay, once you're done, go to runner and just run this. So you should be able to see the browser launched. Once you are able to see the email and password entered here, we are success actually. Okay, done. We are able to, and we are able to assert this line also. Yes. Okay. So login successful, done. When enter email and the password is, then validated the username in the home page. Okay, so this is how we can pass the username and password in the feature file itself. This is okay. Let's try to implement yourself, and by referring this, if you face any issue, just let me know. And I can push this repository. Maybe this whole code into GitHub. I can give you the link also. Maybe sometime later. Just check our channel. I will update in this same video link or description. I will add the GitHub link as well. Okay. So if you have any doubt, please put into comments. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel as well. Thank you.